A truck driver parked in front of a shop and opened the rear doors of a trailer to begin unloading a cargo of fruit. The load had not been secured against shifting toward the doors. When the doors were opened, the fruit slid forward and fell out of the trailer, burying the driver under the cargo. No serious injuries were reported. All cargo must be properly secured to prevent movement during unloading. Loads should be checked for stability before opening doors. In China, a truck driver applied sharp braking while approaching a pedestrian crossing. A large steel plate in the truck's load area had not been secured. The sudden deceleration caused the plate to slide forward at speed, breaching the rear wall of the driver's cabin. The driver, restrained by a seatbelt, remained inside the cab and was reported injured during the incident, sustaining minor injuries. All cargo must be properly secured to prevent movement during transport, particularly heavy or rigid items. Seatbelt use provides critical protection in sudden stops. On December 2, 2016 in Thailand, a man was standing near the open shaft of an elevator while another worker was performing welding operations nearby. The individual, while walking backward, lost footing and fell into the elevator shaft. Open elevator shafts and similar vertical hazards must always be clearly barricaded and marked. Personnel should avoid walking near unprotected edges, especially when distracted or moving backward. Implementing physical barriers, warning signs, and safe work positioning. A worker exited a vehicle without engaging the handbrake, leaving it unsecured on a surface with a slight gradient. The vehicle began to roll unexpectedly. In an attempt to stop it, the worker climbed back into the cab while the vehicle was in motion and made contact with another parked car. The incident was identified as a direct consequence of failing to secure the vehicle before exiting. Always engage the handbrake and ensure a vehicle is fully secured before leaving the cab, even on surfaces that appear level. Entering a moving vehicle to regain control creates a high risk of serious injury or fatality. Strict adherence to vehicle parking procedures and operator awareness of gradients. At a construction site, a worker was standing on the bed of a stationary truck while a bulldozer was attempting to unload its bucket into the truck. During the operation, the bulldozer moved unexpectedly back and forth, causing contact with the truck. The worker jumped from the truck to avoid being struck. Workers should never stand on vehicles or in the operating zones of heavy machinery during loading or unloading. Equipment movement can be unpredictable, and maintaining clear separation from active machinery, along with secured positioning for both personnel and vehicles, is essential to prevent injuries. A car was traveling behind a truck carrying long metal bars that extended beyond the rear of the vehicle. The load lacked rear markers, flags, end caps, or adequate restraints. As the car followed, it came into contact with the protruding bars, which penetrated the windscreen. The individual inside the car was reported injured during the incident. Extended loads must be clearly marked, secured, and fitted with protective devices to alert other road users. Proper restraint and visibility measures, such as flags or end caps, prevent contact with protruding cargo. Maintaining safe following distances and awareness of load overhang. In Russia, a truck driver was performing a reversing maneuver at a facility entrance with a barrier and a security gatehouse. A braking error caused the truck to continue moving backward uncontrollably. The vehicle struck and demolished the gatehouse. Security personnel inside managed to exit safely before the impact. Reversing vehicles near fixed structures requires careful speed control, functional braking systems, and clear visibility. Designated guidance aids, spotters, or sensors can help prevent collisions. Ensuring personnel maintain a safe distance from moving vehicles. On January 22, 2019, in an industrial park in Guangdong, a truck driver parked his vehicle in an open area outside a production workshop. Two employees were loading finished pearl cotton products into the truck's cargo compartment. One employee stepped from the pile of pearl cotton onto the metal floor of the truck, creating a static electricity discharge. The resulting spark ignited the flammable pearl cotton. Handling flammable materials like pearl cotton requires strict control of static electricity hazards. Employees should wear anti-static footwear and use grounding measures when working on metal surfaces. Awareness of electrostatic discharge risks, combined with proper handling procedures and environmental controls. During an unloading operation, a worker was releasing the restraints, securing a load of heavy iron round bars on a truck bed. Upon cutting the straps, the load shifted unexpectedly, causing the truck to tilt. The event highlights the need for careful assessment of load movement when releasing bound materials of significant mass. Releasing heavy or secured loads requires planning and risk assessment to anticipate how materials will move once restraints are removed. Workers should maintain safe distances, use appropriate equipment to control movement, and ensure the area is clear of personnel to prevent injuries from shifting or falling loads. At a worksite, a man attempted to stop a motorized gate that was closing by placing his hand in its path. The gate continued to move, trapping his hand in the mechanism. The individual was reported injured during the incident. Motorized gates should never be manually blocked while operating. Safety devices, such as cutoff sensors, must be relied upon, and personnel should maintain a safe distance from moving mechanisms. Awareness of equipment safety features and adherence to safe operation procedures are essential to prevent avoidable injuries. On June 16, 2020 in Russia, a refrigerated truck and several other vehicles had slowed on a highway under active roadworks between Moscow and Chelyabinsk. A second truck carrying building materials approached from behind and, unable to stop due to total brake failure, struck the stationary vehicles in sequence. The driver of the second truck was detained and criminal proceedings were initiated. Vehicle braking systems must be routinely inspected and maintained, especially for heavy or loaded trucks. Operators should ensure functional brakes before starting a journey and allow safe following distances, particularly near construction zones. At a warehouse loading dock, a truck was reversing to position for loading. A worker was standing in the gap between the reversing truck and the fixed dock structure. The driver lacked a clear view of the area behind the vehicle and was not guided by a banksman. The event was identified as fully preventable with proper work organization and supervision. Reversing vehicles in busy areas requires clear visibility, designated guidance from a trained banksman, and strict exclusion of personnel from hazard zones. Establishing controlled procedures and maintaining awareness of all workers nearby significantly reduces the risk of contact injuries during vehicle maneuvers.